Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing another day in my life for college. Guys, I really like these, so I'm gonna keep doing them. Today's Monday. I've been doing some work and I've just been getting a little frustrated. I haven't been able to figure out this like module for my science class and it's been frustrating me, so I thought that I would take a little breather and I would do like a little mini haul for you in this video, because this video is actually sponsored. Throwing that out there, not trying to hide it. It's sponsored by Just Fab. Working at Just Fab is like super awesome. Thank you, Just Fab. Second off, really nostalgic for me because I don't know if you guys did this, but when I was like a preteen, I would watch Teen Nick, like the channel station thing, and they did I just break my dresser? I did. I just broke my dresser. My foot was sitting on this and then I broke it. Can I fix it? Oh, got it. Okay, thank God. Blessed. Anyways, I would always see like Just Fab commercials on Teen Nick, so like working them is like kind of nostalgic because I can like remember all that. And super awesome, there's a link down below where you guys can get 75% off your first purchase. I already put all the stuff away that I got, so I have to go like re-get it out. BRB. We're back in like the ugly background with like the good lighting. Most things in this haul that I got are shoes, and fun fact about me, like I absolutely hate shoe shopping. It's the worst kind of shopping. Like I'd rather shop for like Band-Aid. I just don't like shoe shopping. I think it's really boring and most shoes I think are ugly. But I actually have like a lot of fun shopping and like Just Fab online because there's a personalized style quiz where like you take the quiz, it's like really short, you answer some questions and then like you put in your email so you can get like discounts, and they show you things that like match like your personality and like your style. So when you put in your email you can like receive monthly discounts and then see new exclusive styles that haven't come out yet. You can also be VIP, which is 30 to 50% off retail price, and then free shipping on purchases over $39. That's a really good deal. There's something in my eye that's like poking me. I'm sitting on earrings. That hurts. So like I said, the most things that I got are shoes, and I'm not a shoe person, but like these are so cute. These shoes, they're gray and they are so freaking cute. They have like an open like heel, which is kind of nice, like you won't get blisters, and there's like a little tie right here, the little peep toe thing, and then this, I don't even know what these are called, like cutout. I think they're so cute. I have formal chapter tonight, which you guys don't know. Sororities, there's like a weekly meeting where like you like update on everything, and like every other week you have to like dress up very nice for it, just so you can like represent your sorority very well and be classy. It's not a big deal. And I either want to wear these so cute shoes or these ones. These are the cute, they're unzipped. I wore them the other night. Let me just, I don't know which one I want to wear to chapter, but I want to wear like stuff from this haul because I think it's so cute. So these are like the cutest little booties. These are fake zippers, like they're not real. The real zipper is like on this side, brown, and like the pointy little toe. I like the little white stripe. I just like the little contrast of it, and also these are very neutral colors. They go with like everything, so I wore them the other night and I really liked them. Comment down below which one you guys like better because I can't decide. The styles actually change monthly, so like you want to get them before they're gone because again, they change monthly. These were the first things that I saw in like my style like portfolio. I don't know what it's called, but it's like all the things that like your style that they put together. I saw these and I was like, I need them before they go out of stock or before the styles change. I don't know, I was just like, I need these. These are shoes that I actually wanted to get in white because everyone has like white go-go boots here at ASU. Don't know why it's a thing, but like it's a thing and I want to be trendy. But they were sold out because again, they change monthly and I like got them at the end of the month, so I was like, dang it. They were sold out in my size, which is fine, but I got these black ones. Everyone also has these black ones, but like they're so cute, and like I feel like you can wear these with so many things and like dress them up or down, so I really wanted to get these. I also wanted to get some heels. I can't remember if this was in the Valentine's Day collection. I don't remember. These are like these platform chunky heels. They are so soft. It's not, I don't know what material this is, but they're blush pink, and then they have this, which really sold me on them. And so it's basically this like braided thing. It's not gonna focus on it, and you like wrap it around your ankle, and it's so cute. These make you so tall. I think these are like 6 inches if I'm not mistaken. They make you so tall and they make your legs look so good. I just love heels that are like a different color than like what you're wearing. In the Valentine's Day collection, they actually have these that are red with white polka dots, which are so cute. If you want a statement heel, get them. These I thought were really cute just because they would go with a lot of things, and they're just basically like chunky nude heels. I didn't realize this when I got them, but this strap is like kind of like angled, which like most heels like this are straight, and I kind of like that it's just something different, and it's like the perfect height. Like these are like the perfect heels that go with anything, so I really wanted to get a pair. Really comfortable. Oh, they also have like clothes, so I got one thing. This is from the Valentine's Day collection as well. I haven't worn it yet. I've been meaning to. It's a jumpsuit. It's red and it has like a v-neck, and then it's just a jumpsuit with like the pants. I might wear this for chapter tonight. I don't know. It's pretty cold outside for Arizona. It's like really breezy, so I might need like a jacket or something to like keep me warm. This is the cutest little jumpsuit ever, and I don't really own any jumpsuits, so I wanted to get one. I also got some jewelry. I just got like this earring set. Yeah, just some like cute little earrings. There's little hoops. I really like these ones because I think they're very like dainty and cute. Last things I got were some purses. So I wanted to get something bigger because the only purse I have is like this big, and so I got this. I think this is from the Valentine's Day collection as well. I really like the Valentine's Day collection, but this is like a really really good sized purse. This is my aesthetic, like the gray and the pink. They don't really match as well, but like, you know what, this is really cute. Like, it's so big on the inside and the print's really cute. They also come in like a longer strap if you wanted it. I also got this purse, which I thought would be like really small. I thought it'd be like a fourth the size of this because it's a crossbody, but I actually really like that it's big. It's just something very neutral and casual that you could like put with anything. Like, it won't clash with your outfit. It has like this little zipper pocket right here, which I think is really nice. The inside I think is like the cutest little pattern ever, and that's the strap for if you want to make it crossbody. That is everything that I got from JustFab. I think they're so cute. I don't know what I want to wear first because I love all of it. So if you guys want 75% off your first item, make sure to click the link down below because it will get you 75% off, which is a lot of money to be saving. And there's also free shipping on orders over $39. And once again, thank you so much to JustFab for sponsoring this video. I love you so much. Mwah. The mess I just made from the haul that I'm like not about to clean up because I'm definitely too lazy to do it. I need to finish some of the homework stuff on my laptop right there, but I'm just really frustrated because I don't want to do it. I need to find these two things, and here's what I have. Here's the information. Oh, things falling. Okay, hi. This is what I have. This is like all I have, and I've done this like so many different ways and I just can't figure it out, and it's not like online anywhere. This just makes me feel so dumb, and it just frustrates me so much because normally like school things come like really easily to me, and when they don't, I'm like, I finally got this one. I finally got it. Now I just have like, I wrote them down. Now I just have 2 left. I'm so happy. I did it. I did it. Oh, it's blurry. Okay, only took me 15 tries, but I did it. This is the best day ever. Okay, now I need to do a bunch of other stuff for this class. I have like a few more modules, and then I have a test I need to take, so wish me luck. And all your guys' comments on my last video have been really nice, and I really appreciate that.
Accomplish that which you are seeking to do. So who can utilize a portfolio? Can utilize a portfolio?
I just messed up all of that. Today has just been a really productive day for me. I've gotten a lot done, and then I've also had like free time to like be able to like watch The Office, and I just feel like really good today. I'm like really happy that I'm getting everything that I need to get done. Sometimes I like overstress myself and pile on too much that's like not possible, but like I'm really glad that I'm able to like get things done and also just like be able to have a breath and like a breather. So I have dinner plans at the dining hall, and I don't like vlogging in the dining hall because the music they play is like the same 3 songs, and they play it over and over, and it's really loud, and I don't want to get copywritten, and it's just really loud in general in there, and the food's horrible. It's just like a whole negative space. So I thought that I would start getting ready for chapter because I'm gonna go to dinner and then go to chapter right after. So I thought that I would show you guys some outfit options or like things that I'm considering wearing. I have been really liking formal chapter recently just because like since I have classes 1 day a week, I don't really have a reason to like put on makeup or like get out of my pajamas outside of like filming a video. So like when I have an excuse to like dress up really pretty and like feel confident, I love it. I'm gonna try on some outfits and then decide what I want to wear. Just like why not? Like just let's go with some options. I really have to pee. Here's the first outfit. It's actually a lot cuter than I expected it to be. So I'm wearing the jumpsuit from JustFab. It's so cute. I need to like adjust the straps. It's really nice they have adjustable straps. Since I'm really flat chested, I always need to adjust them. And I thought it'd be cold tonight just because like chapter's at like 7:30. So I was like, let's put on a jacket, make it less chilly. I need to like brush my hair. So yeah, I put on just a random leather jacket, but I really like this jumpsuit more than I thought I was going to. I'm gonna take off the jacket to show you in a minute. The shoes, I just did like the black booties that I got. Okay, here's it without the leather jacket. I actually like it without the leather jacket more. Can't wear like straps like this to formal chapter, and it's cold outside, so I need straps. My hair's like really messy because I was like laying down, so sorry about that. I really like how the pants are like flowy. Here's the next outfit. So the only kind of like jeans you can wear to formal chapter are like solid black no-cut jeans. So I have these ones, and then I just have this like light blue sweater, and then oh my god guys, I'm about to like pee my pants. Give me 1 second. I need to pee and then I'll finish this. I'm so sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Small bladder. So like I was saying, I have this really light blue sweater. It kind of like cuts off early the sleeves. I think it goes perfectly with the shoes. The little cutouts. And then like I tied them in the back like they're supposed to be. And I think the fact that they're like gray goes really well with this like cool tone blue. I love this outfit. If I don't end up wearing it today, I might wear it next chapter. These shoes are so cute. I love these shoes. Is this shirt backwards? Okay, here is the last outfit. I think this is the outfit that I'm going to wear, mainly just because I don't want to put on the other clothes back. You know, I just like took them off. I don't want to put them back on. So I just have this like neutral like reddish like sweater. I have black jeans again, and then I have the favorite shoes. I just like them because like this is like neutrals, like going neutrals. I just think that like the brown goes with it. If that makes any sense. This is really warm too, which is something that I need. So the shoes are just so cute. I also have in the little date. Can you see them? Hello. I also have in the the little dainty earrings, which I thought were super cute, and they just were like a little something extra, if you know what I mean. I also don't need a purse for going to formal chapter. If I did, I would bring this one because like it matches the sweater and like the shoes really cute. Yeah, cute, good, I don't know. I think the red jumpsuit was my favorite though, just because it was something different. I don't know, I really liked it. Also, I just wanted to mention this really quickly. A lot of you guys have been saying that you have not been seeing my videos in your sub boxes. Like I was getting a ton of comments being like, oh my god, I miss you, like missed your videos. And I'm like, what are you talking about? I upload every Monday. Like I haven't missed an upload. A lot of you guys are saying for the past couple weeks you have not been seeing my videos in your sub boxes. So I never really say this, like click the bell so you can see it if you want to see it. My videos aren't showing up. What the heck, YouTube? But like, oh my gosh, I totally just forgot that I have like the cutest thing ever from Just Fab that I got that I forgot to add in the haul because I put it away. Which drawer is it in? I'm going to Six Flags this weekend with my friends from high school, and I really want a pair of like comfy shoes that are also really cute. So I got these tennis shoes from Just Fab. They're so cute. Like make sure you guys get them before like the month is over. New styles every month. It screams me, and I totally just realized that I forgot to mention that. Chapter's over. I actually changed into like this really thin sweater and then the gray shoes just because like I was sweating a lot and I didn't want to sweat. Just that chapter, I just ate a ton of pizza and donuts and like candy because a lot of the frats like brought us food like they always do in chapter. I need to like stop eating big meals before I go to chapter. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm literally just going to like edit this video and then like go to bed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.